Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best AI tools for YouTube content creation. If you're still manually recording voiceovers or editing your YouTube videos, you're missing out. These 5 AI tools will completely change your life, and you'll be able to pump out 10 times more content while working only a couple hours per day. Watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important information. Links to all 5 of these tools are in the description below, so you can check them out. So the first tool is Gling AI. The sign-up process for Gling AI is straightforward. You start by visiting their website. The link to it is given in the description below. Then creating an account with your name, email, and a password. After confirming your password, you can sign up for either a free trial or a paid subscription plan. New users are allowed to upload and edit their first video for free up to a maximum length of 1 hour. If you're a YouTuber with over 1,000 subscribers, you can receive additional free credits by linking your YouTube channel to Gling. Once logged in, the Gling dashboard provides easy access to all the video editing tools. It automatically processes raw video footage by removing silences, bad takes, and filler words. You can further refine the AI's edits manually and export the final video to formats like MP4 or integrate it into popular editing software such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. The dashboard also features tools for adding AI-generated captions, noise reduction, and automatic zooms. Next one is InVideo AI. The InVideo AI sign-up process is simple and intuitive. Start by visiting their website. The link to it is given in the description below. You can create an account using your email or social media credentials. The platform offers both a free plan, which includes limitations such as a weekly video limit and watermarks, and paid plans with more features like higher quality exports and no watermarks. Once logged in, the dashboard presents a clean, user-friendly interface. You can create videos by entering a prompt, and InVideo AI will generate a script. Choose stock media from a library of over 16 million assets and even create voiceovers. The platform allows you to edit the script, upload your own media, and customize your video. When you're satisfied with the result, you can export it for sharing on various platforms. Third tool is HeyGen. To sign up for HeyGen, you simply visit their website. The link to it is given in the description below. Then, create an account by filling out a form with your name, email, and password. Once registered, you need to verify your email by clicking a confirmation link sent to your inbox. After verification, you can log in, set up your profile, and begin exploring the platform's features. The dashboard offers an intuitive interface where users can manage their video projects, create new ones using templates, avatars, and other tools, and access tutorials to enhance their experience. The dashboard serves as the hub for video creation, allowing users to start new projects, manage existing ones, and customize settings. HeyGen's AI tools enable users to generate videos by selecting avatars, adding text, and incorporating various elements like images or music. It's a seamless system designed for marketers, content creators, and educators who want to create professional videos without advanced technical skills. Let's go to the fourth, which is 11 Labs. To sign up for 11 Labs, visit their website. The link to it is given in the description below. Click the Sign Up button. You can register using either your email or a Google account. Once registered, verify your email address through a confirmation link, which will then direct you to the platform's speech synthesis page. From there, you can begin converting text to speech immediately, trying out the various voice generation features. The 11 Labs dashboard is user-friendly, designed for easy navigation. It serves as the central hub where you can access key features like speech synthesis, the Voice Lab for voice cloning, and project management tools. You can also explore other options such as managing custom voices, creating long-form content, dubbing in multiple languages, and adjusting speech parameters like tone, speed, and pitch. 11 Labs offers free credits so you can try it out without having to spend any money using the link in the description. Now the last tool is Pixels AI. The sign-up process for Pixels AI is simple. Visit their website, the link to it is given in the description below. You can create an account by either using your email or signing in through services like Discord, Google, Microsoft, or X, formerly known as Twitter. Pixels AI provides a bunch of editing tools. With Pixels AI, you can discover content ideas as its AI-powered idea generator provides video ideas effortlessly. It also allows you to create AI thumbnails from prompts, links, and sketches, instantly transforming your ideas into reality. With Pixels AI, you can also enhance your thumbnails with face swap by adding an image or text. You can also upload your old image and Pixels AI will transform it to a stunning thumbnail by enhancing it. To further enhance your thumbnail, use Pixels' Enhance Edit option and it will make an edit for you. More features include the generation of video titles from topics or thumbnails. Depending on your subscription plan, you can access more advanced options, including up to 8x resolution boosts and exclusive beta features. Pixels AI offers a flexible credit-based pricing model, allowing you to pay as you go or subscribe for monthly packages based on your needs. For your convenience, I've included the links to all 5 tools in the description box so you can try out each one and see if it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.